So today we have awesome hacks for your shoes. For this first hack, we're going to transform this old and ugly shoe waterproof. All you need is a small candle to do the trick. Once you've taken off the candle out of the aluminum, you can apply it onto the shoe. Once that's done, you can start blow drying it with hot air to make sure the wax melts really fast. Don't be shy to apply a second or even a third coat onto the shoe. See? The shoe is totally waterproof now. So this hack is for people who hate it when their laces stick out. All you need are 4 washers. Insert 2 of the washers on one side, like this, and then bring the tip of the lace into the first washer. It's very simple. Once that's done, tighten the 2 washers against each other. And now you can repeat the same steps on the other side. Make sure that the 2 washers are very tight together. Now you can cut off the rest of the lace so that it won't show when you wear your shoes. Trust me, your shoes are gonna stay really tight. For this hack, we're gonna use 2 steps. First, wash off all the dirt under your shoe with soap and water and a brush. And then wipe it off with circular movements to make sure there's no excess. Now add the tape all around where you're going to add the infinity cement. Now that you've covered the places that you want protected, cut off the excess of the tape so that you can apply the infinity cement. The goal here is to equalize and cover the holes in your shoes. Apply the first coat. Dry it off with a blow dryer. Make sure it's cold air so that the cement doesn't melt, but dries. Once you've dried it up, put a second coat and make sure you cover up the hole. When we did it, we should have waited a little bit more, but you get the idea. So we all have that old shoe where the paint faded off. Well, no worries. I have a solution. So you can put nail polish on the cotton ball and start scrubbing off the paint. See, it works. It's all white again. If you don't have nail polish remover, we have another solution for you. You can use a cleaner and a degreaser. It works really well. Once you've added a little bit of that product, you can add hot water. Make sure there's a lot more water than the product, and mix it all together. Don't use your hand, it's hot. It works as well as the nail polish remover. For this one, if you really like the paint on your shoes and you're sad that it all faded away, well, not just repaint over it. Once you've taken off the faded part, you can just restart with black paint. Add the tape to protect your shoe and start painting. You have to be very meticulous for this one. Look, it's like it's brand new again. For this hack, we have 3 different ways to tie your shoelaces. On this one, the laces will look parallel to one another, like this. It's a very easy and simple look. And it can be applied on any type of shoes. Now all you need to do is hide the excess of your laces, and you have a brand new look. On this one, you start from the bottom also, and the look is a little bit more complex. The trick here is to skip one hole each time. I call this one the crisscross. This one is a little different because we start from the top, we reach the bottom, and we start tying. Now, do you get bored of your old shoes sometimes? Well, I have an idea. So here I just wanted to change the blue, and to make it darker, I added the color black. Make sure to add tape to protect your shoe. And start painting. I kept the color which is blue, but with this trick, you can really choose any color that you want. Now make sure to paint it with a lot of layers, just to make it even more perfect. Once you've painted it the way you want it, you can take off the tape and see the final result. Since I'm not a professional painter, I used nail polish remover to take off the excess of the paint. After that, all you have to do is let it dry. If you want to upgrade your shoe even more, do you remember our first hack? You can now make it waterproof. That way, it will even preserve the paint longer. Hey Crafty hackers! If you liked what you saw in this video, don't forget to subscribe.